Hello, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to set the Signer app up in a way that you can collect contracts and have users sign contracts before they purchase your product on Whop. It's super simple. First things first, go to the Signer app, create your contract, name the contract however you want. I'm going to name it test. Once you're here, go ahead and upload your PDF. Once you upload your PDF, you can go ahead and add custom fields like signatures, initials, checks, stamps, or if you need to collect text fields, you can also do that. You can either do plain text, email, number, or address. If you want to make a field required, all you got to do is click here on the little star. That makes it required or optional. If you want to duplicate a field, you can either press Control MC and Control V, and that copies a field. Or you can also click here on this button. If you want to delete a field, just click on the trash icon. All right. Now that we have this, super simple. To have a user sign this contract before they purchase your product, all you got to do is you go to Share. And then you can copy this link right here where it says share links. You can copy this link here. If you want to add a custom domain or a custom link that looks a lot better than this, you're also allowed to. All you got to do is you go to settings, go to custom domain, and here you would connect your custom domain to the app. And this would allow this custom domain of yours to be used instead of this link. But for this video's sake, and for time's sake, we're going to be using this custom domain that we already have. So let's go ahead and copy this domain here. And then we're going to our product on Whop that we want to redirect to before users check out. For example, I have this product called Book a Call. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Once I open this product, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to Advanced, and I'm going to scroll down. All right. So I'm going to be enabling this option, redirect before checkout. All right. So it's going to be the link that I just copied. Okay. Then I'm going to click Save. There we go. Now we're almost done. All we need to do now is create a checkout link to redirect users to after they sign the contract. Right. So let's go to Checkout Links. Let's go to Create Checkout Link. Select the Book a Call product. I'm going to create a product or a checkout link that costs $1, for example. All right, create checkout link. There we go. Your checkout link has been copied to clipboard. Now that I have that on my clipboard, I'm going to go back to the app. All right, I'm going to go and open the contract that I just created. Then I'm going to go to Settings, Completion. Then I'm going to add the link to the redirect URL. All right, go ahead and add it here, and then save. Cool. Now if I open my Whop page, my Whop product page, and I try purchasing this product, if I click Contact Us, the contract is going to show up. All right, so this is my contract. Let me go ahead and sign. It's going to ask for the users to add their information, their name, email address, and their signature. I already had my signature before, that's why I didn't ask. But yeah, here they can change the site to dark mode, light mode, whatever works best for them. And then once they're ready, they sign, they click Submit Form. Okay. Once the form is submitted, they get redirected to the checkout link, which is the checkout link that we just created. All right, once they purchase, they should get access to your Whop. And if you go back to the app, let's go to the Signer app. Let's go right here to Ignited, Submissions. You should see the form that they just signed right here. And once they purchase, it should be automatically linked to their Whop user ID as well. Now, whenever a user signs, they're going to be automatically matched to their Whop email, and we'll be able to tell and see here under the submissions when they signed. So for example, I have this email here. If I click on it, I can see my profile. And let's go back to it. Let's go back here, submissions. I can also see the contract that I signed. If I click here on this little contract symbol, I can see it. Now this is another contract. It's not the same one that we just signed, but this is just for demonstration purposes. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a message on Whop, and I'll be glad to help.